Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Crave Cookies app, your go-to for ordering delicious, freshly baked cookies with ease. Let's explore how to use it step by step. The Crave Cookies app is a mobile application that allows you to order gourmet cookies for pickup or delivery, earn cookie coins with every purchase, and enjoy exclusive deals and promotions. Whether you are craving a classic chocolate chip or one of the unique weekly flavors, this app makes satisfying your sweet tooth simple and rewarding. First, to use it, you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, so search Crave Cookies app on your search bar, then tap on the app and tap on install, then open up your app. Once opened up, create an account using your email or social media login. Allow push notifications to stay updated on new flavors, promotions, and special events. For browsing and ordering, explore the menu, browse through a variety of cookie options right here, including their rotating weekly flavors. Select your item, choose the cookie you want, tap on that, then add them to your cart. Right from here, tap on add to cart, then option for pickup or delivery based on your preference. Review your order, apply any promo codes, and then proceed to payment. Pay securely using Apple Pay, credit, debit cards, or other available methods. For every dollar you spend on one cookie coin equivalent to $0.10, accumulate coins and redeem them for free cookies or discounts on future orders. You can skip the line by placing your order in advance for pickup, receive app-only discounts and invitations to special tasting events, get notifications about new store openings, seasonal flavors, and many more. And that is all about our Crave Cookie app. I hope you guys like this video, like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.